All right, hi guys. Okay, this will be your lesson 3 for gender in society. Welcome back again. My name is Josh, and of course, we will continue with our introduction lessons for gender and society. All right, okay. Now, let's go now on the gender stereotypes. Okay, what are gender stereotypes and what is really stereotypes? Some of you might heard this term for a lot of times already. Okay, and some of you might not know what really is stereotypes, and maybe some of you will say that, that's stereotype. That's a stereotype. I never thought that that compliment or that um, comment or criticism is a stereotype. Okay, so it's really good that basics like this is something that you should also know because it could also protect you from discrimination, sexism, for example, and of course from giving you negative feedback as well. All right. Gender stereotype are beliefs about the personal attributes of females and males. Okay. Personal attributes basically means traits that make up your personality, which define who you are as a person. Okay. Um, well, personal attributes examples are outgoing, extrovert, open. Another thing are the way you walk, the way you dressed, the way you communicate, the way you do stuff, and even the way you interpret things, and even the way you do your day-to-day routines or daily tasks. Okay, these are subjects or these are praise of for stereotypes. They're important because they are what makes who you are, what other people find in you that may like or dislike. Okay. All right. So these are the traditional gender stereotypes. Okay. This is going to be all around the world. It's not really just based in the Philippines, but this is all around the world. So for females or feminine, females should not be aggressive. Okay. They are dependent, easily influenced, submissive, passive, home oriented, easily hurt emotionally, indecisive, talkative, gentle, sensitive to other people's feelings, very desirous of security, cries a lot, emotional, verbal, kind, tactful, and nurturing. Now, girls or women, okay, do you agree that you have one of this? Or do you agree that you have all of this? Do you also agree that all females are like this? Okay, you can comment on this comment section below. Okay, but it's all up to you. Do you have, you personally as a woman, do you have one, two, or 10 of these traditional gender stereotypes? All right, okay. Now for masculine or male, okay, aggressive, independent, not easily influenced, dominant, active, worldly, not easily hurt emotionally, decisive, not at all talkative, tough, less sensitive to others' feelings, not very desirous of security, rarely cries, logical, analytical, cruel, blunt, and not nurturing. Okay, same question goes to all the men there. Okay, what do you think? Do you agree that all males should be and are like this? Okay, do you agree that maybe 10 out of these gender traditional stereotypes you have? Okay, do you have at least three, four, five? And do you think a male should really be like this? Okay, or should not be like this? It's all up to you. Comment in the comment section below. All right, now, stereotypes again is a label which involves a process of categorization and evaluation. Although it may refer to situations or places, it's most used in conjunction with representations of social groups. In simple terms, an easily grasped characteristic, usually negative, is presumed to belong to the whole group. Now, stereotypes is like the thing about stereotypes is that it generalizes everyone. Okay, that's why it's called stereotype. Okay, it addresses mass population. And the thing about stereotypes sometimes is it one individual represents everyone. For example, the common term for here in our province is the term tagabukid. Okay. Tagabukid, we have the stereotype that if ever someone shouts so loud to the point that even though they're just talking to someone very near with them, okay, a very short distance communication, they have this loud voice, a loud shout whatsoever, then we call them tagabukid mana siya. Okay. Now, from that one individual, you are representing everyone who lives in the rural area. Okay. And that is already considered stereotype. Okay. The term squatter, uh, what do you call it? Taga squatter ang attitude. Okay. Ugaling squatter in Filipino. That is also a example of stereotype. Why? How do you define ugaling taga squatter? Most people will say basagolero, okay, or war freak, all right, impulsive, very impulsive, non-logical thinker, and so on and so forth. And those are examples of stereotypes. By just one person, you call that person taga squatter, taga bukid. You are already representing everyone who is in that culture, who is in that proximity zone. That is negative. Okay. And in going back to gender, that is very, very prevalent and constant, which we will talk more about on our next lesson as well. All right, that's it for today, everyone. Again, this will be an introductory lessons for all of you. All right, stereotypes. We will talk more about stereotypes on our next lessons. Okay, just be sure to always you know subscribe to my channel and click the bell ring button to have more updates and notification whenever I post updates or videos as well. All right, that's it. Okay, see you soon. Bye.